Hello everyone, this is Vaishnavi Nalavde. Welcome you all in our YouTube channel Vaishnavi Nalavde. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe first and press the bell icon to get latest updates of new videos. In today's video lecture, we will discuss about resins. Okay, so in resins there are 6 drugs included in resins. In that, benzoin, गुगुल, ginger, asafoetida, myrrh and colophony. These are the 6 drugs under the resins. Okay, so first drug is benzoin. Benzoin has 4 varieties and their names are Sumatra, Pelbang, Penang and Simbenzoin. They are easily identified by their specific look. Sumatra, Penang and Simbenzoin are the 3 derivatives which are derived from 3 different plants. Synonyms of benzoin, it is Sumatra benzoin and लोबन. ओके, सो बेन्झोइन म्हणजे काय आहे? धूप. ओके, देवधूप किंवा शिलारस. बायोलॉजिकल सोर्स, benzoin occurs in 2 forms, that is Sumatra and Siam. The balsamic resin is derived from Starax benzoin Dranon and Starax paralineurans perkins and another species of Starax marketed under the name of Sumatra benzoin. It may also have the balsamic resin obtained from Starax tonkinensis and other species known as Simbenzoin on a commercial scale. It should contain not less than 25% of total balsamic acids calculated in terms of dry alcohol soluble matter. Family Staraceae. These are the introductory part of benzoin. Benzoin has 4 varieties and their names are Sumatra, Pelbang, Penang and Simbenzoin. Okay, Sumatra benzoin and Siam benzoin. These are the 2 forms of benzoin. Geographical source. Sumatra benzoin is obtained from the trees grown in southeastern Asia, while Simbenzoin is obtained from the trees grown in Thailand and Vietnam. Microscopic features of 2 forms, that is Sumatra benzoin and Siam benzoin. Sumatra benzoin color, that is grayish brown or grey color. Odor aromatic and characteristic. Taste sweetish and slightly acrid. Shape lumps of varying sizes of tears which are yellowish and milky white in color. Surface uneven. Extra features, on heating it produces fumes of benzoic and cinnamic acids. Siam benzoin color yellowish brown to rusty brown. Odor agreeable and vanilla like. Taste sweetish and slightly acrid. Shape hard and brittle masses. Extra features, on heating it softens into plastic. These are the microscopic features of or extra features, outer surface features of this benzoin. Then chemical constituents. In benzoin contains free balsamic acids and esters of balsamic acids. Sumatra benzoin, this variety of benzoin has benzoic acid 18% or more. and cinnamic acid 20%. Cinnamic acid is partially free and partially combined with benzoresinol and sumarcintanol. It also has vanillin 1%, sterol, styrosine, phenyl propyl cinnamate and benzaldehyde. With the combination of these constituents, Sumatra benzoin gets its specific odor. Sim-benzoin, in that benzoic acid 38% is the main component of this variety of benzoin. It is partially free and partially combined with benzoresinol and cyresinoltanol. It also contains of vanillin and an oily aromatic liquid. In its pure form, it should be completely soluble in alcohol and form traces of ash. These are the chemical constituents present in the benzoin. Then chemical test. On treating its alcoholic solution with water, a milky white solution develops. And a small quantity of benzoin is heated in a test tube and the test tube mouth is covered with a glass plate. The contents of the tube are cooled and on viewing the glass plate under a microscope, a cinnamic acid crystal should be observed. 2.5 gram of benzoin is shaken with 10 ml of ether, then 2 to 3 ml of this extract is poured in porcelain dish and added with 2 to 3 drops of sulfuric acid. A deep brown color develops for Sumatra benzoin and a deep purplish red color develops for sim-benzoin. 4 ml of potassium permanganate solution is warmed with 1 gram of benzoin. An odor of benzaldehyde is produced for Sumatra benzoin. Uses. It acts as an irritating expectorant, a carminative and diuretic. It is used externally as an antiseptic. It is used in the form of compound tincture of benzoin and as an inhalation for treating upper respiratory tract infection, and also it is used to delay the rancidity of fats and oil in the preparation of benzoate lard. These are the difference between Sumatra benzoin and sim-benzoin. In that biological source, geographical source, physical properties, in that color, odor, taste, occurrence, then standards, chemical test. These are the difference between Sumatra benzoin and sim-benzoin. Then next one drug is Gugul. Gugul is obtained from the sap, it is gum resin, which exudes from the Indian tree Commiphora vigeti. In Ayurveda, the use of Gugul are mentioned that dates back to 600 BC. Ancient literature reveals the use of Gugul in treatment of atherosclerosis. The synonyms of Gugul, that is Gugul, Palangsha and Devdhu. Biological source, Gugul is an oleogum resin, it is oleoresin that exudes spontaneously as a result of injury from the bark of the plant Commiphora vigeti, family Burseraceae. Okay, these are the introductory part of Gugul. The next, geographical source. The Gugul plant may be found from northern Africa to Central Asia, but it is most commonly found in northern India. Microscopic features: plant branched, thorny, dimorphic and bisexual. Leaves small like that of neem and cereate. Ovate 1 to 5 cm long and 0.5 to 2.5 cm broad. Flowers red or sometimes pink in color. Fruits pulpy and ovate in shape. Juice thick, aromatous, inflammable and melts in sun. When it is immersed in warm water, it attains milky white color. Color brown to pale yellow or dull green color. Odor agreeable, aromatic and balsamic. Taste, bitter and characteristics. These are the microscopic features of Google. Then next one, chemical test. Google comprises of steroids, diterpenoids, aliphatic esters, amino acids, etc. in a complex mixture. Some phytochemicals like gugulostirone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and zgugulsterone, E-gugulsterone and 16-beta hydroxyprogesterone are also characterized. Mucilol, a type of alcohol, is also reported to be present in Google. These are the chemical structures or chemical constituents present in the Google. Okay, gugulostirone, Z-gugulostirone, E-gugulostirone, beta hydroxyprogesterone, mucilol and gugulostirol 2. Then chemical test. An extract of Google is prepared using ethyl acetate. To this extract, acetic anhydride is added and boiled. On cooling, the resultant solution 2 ml of H2SO4 is added, which results in the formation of green color at the junction of liquid due to the presence of sterols. Uses. As per the Ayurveda, oleogum resin obtained from Google is used in various disorders like obesity, arthritis and rheumatism. It is also used as anti-inflammatory and hypocholesteric drug. Recent scientific researchers have confirmed the anti-hyperlipidemic activity of Google in semi-purified form, which is patented in the name of Gulic and is marketed by Cipla. These are the uses of Google. Then next, ginger. Ginger is an herbal drug which is used in medicines and also as cookery spice. It is in use in medical conditions from ancient India and China. Synonyms: zingiber and zingiberase. Biological source: ginger is rhizomes of Zingiber officinale roscoe. Its outer skin is removed by scraping, after which it is dried in the sun. It is market name in Jamaica ginger. Family is Zingiberaceae. Okay. Then geographical source: ginger is native to Southeast Asia although it is cultivated in Caribbean, Iceland, Africa, Australia, Mauritius, Jamaica, Taiwan and India. More than 35% of world's ginger is produced in India. Macroscopic features: color externally buff colored, odor agreeable and aromatic, taste agreeable and pungent. Size: rhizomes are 5 to 15 into 1.5 to 6.5 cm. Shape: rhizomes are laterally compressed, bear short, flat, ovate and oblique branches on the upper side with bud at the apex. Fracture: short and fibrous. Surface: longitudinally straightened with occasional projecting fibers. Extra features: transverse section shows well-marked endodermis and stellum. These are the macroscopic features of ginger. Then microscopic features. In that you can see these TS of ginger rhizome. In that outer cork, inner cork, cortex, starch, fibers, oleoresins. Okay. So cork, it comprises of irregularly arranged cells followed by cortex. Cortex, it comprises of thin walled parenchymatous tissue. It is distinguished from stellae by a well-marked endodermis. Many closed collateral fibrovascular bundles are enclosed within the cortical tissue. Vascular bundles, they are present just inside the endodermis and are free of fibers. Endodermis is free of starch and oleoresinous cells, and starch grains are found all over the ground tissue. These are the transverse section of ginger rhizome. Chemical constituents. Ginger contains 1 to 4% of volatile oil, 40 to 60% of starch, 10% of fat and 5% of fiber, 6% of inorganic material, 10% of residual moisture and 5 to 8% of acrid resinous matter. Ginger oil contains monoterpene hydrocarbons, sesquiterpene hydrocarbons, oxygenated mono and sesquiterpenes and phenylpropanoids. All types of ginger oil have the same sesquiterpene hydrocarbon content and contain alpha zingiberine, beta bisobilin, alpha forencin, beta sesquiphelandrine and alpha curcumin. These are the chemical constituents. You can see these structure of zingiberine constituents. Then chemical test. To 1 gram of pulverized ginger, 5 ml of dilute acetic acid prepared by diluting 1 part of glycyl acetic acid with 1 part of water is added and shaken for 15 minutes. The resultant mixture is filtered. A few drops of ammonium oxalate TS is added to the filtrate, which gives rise to slight turbidity. Uses of ginger. It is used as an antiemetic and its aromatic, carminative and absorbent properties improve the effects of motion sickness directly in the GI tract. It is also used in controlling vomiting and nausea, in hyperemesis gravidarum and in post-operative nausea and vomiting. Second, zingerols and shagols show cardiovascular activity by the inhibition of prostaglandin synthetase and hence hindering prostaglandin biosynthesis. It also shows antitussive, antipyretic and analgesic properties. Its rhizomes show fungicidal, antibacterial and antihelmintic properties. Sesquiterpene hydrocarbons are the reason for its anti-ulcer activity. These are the uses of ginger. And thank you. In today's video lecture, we will discuss first one drug, that is azafoetida, second one Google, third one ginger. In upcoming video, we will discuss about myrrh, colophony and okay. So thank you everyone. Happy learning. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then subscribe first and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of new videos. Thank you.